Now, students, we would move ahead in the chapter that is fractions here. So here I have some new questions for you today. Question number 1 is find the area of a rectangular park which is 41 hole 2 by 3 meter long and 18 hole 3 by 5 meter broad. You have to find of the area of the rectangular park. So let me make a rectangular park first here. This is the rectangular park. Okay, its length has been given to you. The length of the park is 41 whole 2 by 3 meter, and its the width also means it's how much it is broad, that also had been given to you, and it is 18 whole 3 by 5 meter broad it is. Now you have to find the area of the rectangular park. Okay, area means the inside one coverage. Okay, this all you have to find out. Area means this total inside coverage. So how much coverage is there inside, that you have to tell here. So to find of the area of a rectangle, we have the formula area of a rectangle. Let me write it as area of a rectangle. What is the area? That is length multiply breadth. Okay, length and breadth. If you are multiplying these two, you would be getting the area of the rectangular part here. Okay, so again, what is the length here? Length is this 41 whole 2 by 3 multiply. What is the breadth? That is the breadth. That is 18 whole 3 by 5. Okay. Now just solve this. Okay. First, this has been given in the mixed fraction. Just simplify it. 41 3 ja 123. Are you getting this? 41 3 ja 123. 123 plus 2 would be 125 by 3. Getting this? Similarly here also 18 5 are 90 and 90 plus 3 93 by 5. It would be 93 by 5. You can cut also if you want. This 5 can cut this also. 5 1 ja 5 and you can cut this also by 5. 5 2 ja 10. 5 5 ja 25. 25 times. This 3 can cut this. 3 1 ja 3 and here you can cut 3 3 ja 9. 3 1 ja 3. So answer would be 25 multiply 31. Downside 1 into 1. 1 into 1 you can leave it. Okay. Upside 25 into 31. Downside 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 you can leave. So only 25 into 31 would left here. If you are multiplying, you would be getting 25 1 25 ka 5. Carry 2. 25 3 is 75. 75 plus 2 would be how much? 77. Are you getting this? Is this correct? 25 25 5 carry 2. Carry 2 here again. Okay. 25 3 is 75. 75 plus 2 would be how much? 77. So this much square meter would be the area of the rectangular part here. Okay. Okay then. Note it down. Now here the next question. Question is, if milk is available at rupees 17 whole 3 by 4 per liter, means the cost of 1 liter milk is this much. Are you getting this? Cost of 1 liter milk is this much. Find the cost of 7 whole 2 by 5 liter of milk. Means you have to find out the cost of this much milk. Cost of 1 liter of milk. Per liter means 1 liter. Cost of 1 liter milk has been given to you as 17 whole 3 by 4. Now you have to find out the cost of 7 whole 2 by 5 liter of milk. So what would you do? Yes, we would multiply this. So just write here cost of 1 liter of milk is how much? This much. Rupees 17 whole 3 by 4. This is the cost of 1 liter of milk. You have to find out the cost of this much liter. Therefore cost of 7 whole 2 by 5 liters of milk would be how much? This multiply this. So would be 7 whole 2 by 5 multiply 17 whole 3 by 4. Just simplify this. 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 2 37 by 5. Similarly here 17 4 is 68. 68 plus 3 would be 71 by 4. Is it clear? Yeah. Now just multiply upside and multiply downside, you would get your answer. Okay. 37 multiply 71 is how much? 37 multiply 71. Okay, 1 7 7 3, 7 7 49, carry 4, 7 3 21 plus 4 would be 25, 12 6 2. So it would be 2627 divided by upside 37 multiply 17 is this man, downside 5 multiply 4 would be 20. Okay, so rupees this much. So this much would be the cost of 7 whole 2 by 5 liter of milk. This is the cost there. Okay, if you are just dividing this again, you would be getting this in the mixed fraction form. Okay, are you getting this? Can you change this into mixed fraction? Just divide this 2627 by 20. How much times it's going? Look here, 21 ja 20, 6 2, 23 ja 60, 2 left, then again 7, 21 ja 27 is the remainder. So how many times it goes? It is going 131 times. 7 is remainder, write it up, and dividing by 20, write it down. So I have changed it into mixed fraction also. So this would be the cost of this much milk. Are you getting this? Okay, just note it down. Now this is the next question here. Question is, Sarda can walk 8 whole 1 by 3 kilometer in 1 hour. How much distance will she cover in 2 whole 2 by 5 hours? Okay, so in 1 hour, how much distance the Sarda is covering? She is covering 8 whole 1 by 3 kilometer. So in 1 hour, so just write here, distance covered in 1 hour. How much distance is being covered in 1 hour? And that is 8 whole 1 by 3 kilometers. So this is the distance the Sarda is covering in 1 hour. Okay, so how much distance will she cover in 2 whole 2 by 5 hours? Okay, so distance, write here, distance covered in 2 whole 2 by 5 hours would be, what would you do? Because for 1 hour you have been given, for more you have to find out. So every time whenever you have to find out for more, you would have to multiply this. So here again you also multiply. So answer would be 2 whole 2 by 5 multiply 8 whole 1 by 3. So answer would be 5 2 is 10 plus 2, 12 by 5 multiply 8 is 24 plus 1 would be 25 by 3. If you can cut, yes, you can cut also. 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. Here also 5 1 ja 5 and 5 5 ja 25. So answer will be 4 5 ja 4 multiply 5, 4 5 ja how much? 20 divided by 1 1 to 1, you can leave it. Okay, so answer is 20 kilometer. Means the Sarda is covering 20 kilometers in 2 whole 2 by 5 hours. Okay, just note it down. Now student, this is the next question here. Question is, a sugar bag contains 30 kilogram of sugar. After consuming 2 by 3 of it, how much sugar is left in the bag? So earlier this much is the quantity which is there in the sugar bag. 30 kg sugar is there in a bag. Now how much has been consumed? 2 by 3 of the total you have consumed. So how much is left? What would you do? You have to find out the left one sugar. So you would subtract there. Okay, so answer, just write here, sugar left in the bag total was 30 kg. Now minus, you have consumed how much? You have consumed 2 by 3 of it. Of it means of 30. Yes, so you have consumed 2 by 30 of total means 30. 30 kg was sugar there total. Now you have consumed 2 by 3 of 30 kg. That is what it is saying. Now after consuming 2 by 3 of it, this what is this it? This it is 30 kg. Okay, a sugar bag contains 30 kg sugar. After consuming 2 by 3 of it, how much sugar is left? So sugar that is left in the bag would be 30 minus 2 by 3 of 30. So you would get your answer from here, 30 minus, it would be 2 by 3 of means multiply 3. So it would be 30 minus. So first you can cut here also. 3 1 ja 3 and 3 10 ja 30. So answer would be 10 2 ja 20. Look here, first you have to multiply. Okay, don't subtract it. 10 2 ja 20 and downside only 1 is left, so you can leave it. So answer would be 30 minus 20 would be 10. So how much sugar is left there in the bag? Only 10 kg sugar is left in the bag. 20 kg you have consumed. 10 kg is left. 30 kg was there. Okay, just note it down. This is the answer. And now this is the next question here. Each side of a square is 6 whole 2 by 3 meter long. You have a square. Square is square. The square is having all its sides equal. So all sides are equal there in a square. So you have been given each side of a square is 6 whole 2 by 3, 6 whole 2 by 3, 6 whole 2 by 3, and 6 whole 2 by 3. So because it's a square, so all sides are equal in length. So then what you have to do? Find its area. You have to find out its area. Area means the inside one coverage that you have to find out. So what could be the area of the square? So area of square formula. Area of square. What is the formula? Formula is 4 multiply side. That you have to know here. So area of a square every time 4 multiply side it is. So you would write 4 multiply. Side is what here? This is the side. 6 whole 2 by 3. Okay. Now just simplify this. 4 multiply 6 3 ja 18. 18 plus 2 would be 20 by 3. So just multiply. You cannot cut. So this 4 would multiply outside. So 4 into 20. 24 ja 80. 80 by 3. Okay. Square meter. So this is the area of the square. If you want to change into mixed fraction, you can divide this 80 by 3. 3 2 ja 6. 2 0 3 6 ja 18, 2 left there. So 26 times it is going. 26 times. What is the remainder? That you will write up, and you are dividing by 3, that you would write downside. So answer is 26 whole 2 by 3 square meter would be the area of the square. Are you getting this? Just note it down. So now this is the next question here. There are 45 students in a class. In a class there are 45 students and 3 by 5 of them are boys. Out of these 45, 3 by 5 of the 45 are boys. Okay, so how many girls are there? You have to find out the girls. So to find the number of girls, what would you do? You would subtract this number of boys from the total number of students. You would get the number of girls. Yes or not? Yes. So just I'm writing number of girls would be total students, that is 45, minus number of boys. How many boys are there? 3 by 5 of 45. 3 by 5 of 45. So you would get your answer from here. 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 multiply. Of means multiply 45 as it is. So it would be 45 minus. You can cut here. 5 1 ja 5, 5 9 ja 45, and answer would be 9 3 ja 27 by 1 it is. So you can leave it. So just subtract it. 15 minus 7 is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 18 girls are there in the class. How many girls are there? 18 girls and 27 boys are there. Are you getting this? Therefore girls are 18 and the rest 27 are boys. Total are 45 there. Okay. So this is all for today. Would be discussing some next question in the video in the upcoming videos. Till then stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Have a good day.